So going from the balloon section, there, of course, Nadar's Le Géant, and there was another reference to Nadar's Le Géant. If you haven't read the book, Falling Upward, it's all about the history of ballooning. Fascinating. But as I was saying, here we go into how we start doing propulsion of balloons and how we go from the aerostat, which is the Montgolfier or the hot air or hydrogen balloon, and how we move our way towards controlled flight of dirigibles. And this up here is the basket of the France airship, which was one of the first. They call it a nacelle. In English, it's a basket. One of the first dirigible airships. And here we have an early dirigible. And here's where it gets interesting. Earlier I was saying the difference between engines and motors, and engines tend to run on gasoline. So here we have chlorochemical batteries and a Krebs engine. A Krebs motor. I did it again. An other dirigible. And as we continue on, this is the evolution of dirigibles. But this one got me. This is the evolution of safety valves for balloons and dirigibles. And we'll go from early wooden ones. We're getting slightly more complex. Now we've got a spring-loaded soupape, which is a safety valve, which is a valve. Then we've got a different design, and we're evolving all the way through to the Renard disc. Here's an aluminum dirigible, so we've come a long way as we go. Grappling hook, and here we get interesting. Different designs of devices. So this is a vermicular motor. Aerodynamic motor, and this thing has got me interested, and I was staring at this for a long time. It's a device to measure, it's a dynamometric balance, and it's used to measure resistance of things, substance resistance, and apparently it was used to find, to do many studies on air resistance and possible pressures of rotors. And the studies were done by Charles Renard, but this thing I cannot figure out. The more I stare at it, the more I'm confused by it.